Hi everyone. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? We back again with another video. Hey, hey. Audrey is back, guys. So I am back and we are in full effect, honey. Okay. We quarantine. I hope y'all are doing good mentally and spiritually. I had to get myself together, all right? Because this quarantine has been hard on a lot of us, okay? So today I want to come and bring you guys this so cute glam. So cute. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. And guess what? We only used black owned cosmetic beauty brands. Okay? All right. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to give us a little glam together using the black owned beauty brands. All right. So if you're interested in achieving this look, be sure to stay tuned. So boom, let's get into it. So this is the Everhue Beauty Pore Perfect Primer. So this is a black owned business. What's the Best Buy Wise? Not Best Buy Wise. The House of Potomac. That's them girls' names. Yes, the bougie ones. The black folks that live in DC. So that's one of their Giselle's her beauty brands. So you all know Juvia's. Everybody knows Juvia's girl. So we're gonna take a dense elf brush. Unfortunately, I do not have any black cosmetic beauty brand brushes, so we're gonna use what we got. Now, y'all know this foundation, it plays with me sometimes. Like, as you can tell, I was sitting there like, what is going on? Like, look at my face. I was stressed at this moment. And it really doesn't, you can't really tell, but I was so stressed. So I was trying to blend it in. So this is a full coverage foundation. And the coloring of this foundation is so tricky. I have no idea what's in the formula. But as I blend it, you guys are going to see that it's going to blend and I'm going to look even, like my chest. Yeah. So now we're going to take the Juvia's concealer. As you can tell, that's number 9. And we're just going to highlight. You guys know this process. Highlight. Same old process. Boom, boom. Up under the eye. On the chin. Above the lip. Forehead. Nose. Yeah, I know this. So, boom. So now I'm just going to blend those edges. You all know that I love a nice bright under eye highlight. So mind your business. If you're not that dramatic of a girl, please do go up a shade higher. But, I like to little snatch under the eyes. So yeah, we're going to blend those outsides and then we're going to go back with our foundation brush to help blend them some more because, honey, you have to be blended, okay? Blending is key. I did not add any more foundation, just use the leftover foundation on there. And I'm also going to go in with my unfortunately Real Techniques beauty blender. Maybe I should look into black beauty brands that make makeup tools. Maybe I should look into that, guys. So yeah, blend. And I'm an extra coverage kind of girl. Up under the eye, brightness is where I want to be. So I'm going to take that Fenty concealer 410 and we're just going to add like a little bit more brightness up under the eyes. Yes, like so. Just a little razzle dazzle. Now this brush is a little bit more denser because I just really want to concentrate that lighter concealer up under the eye. And I'm going to take the leftover and place it on my lids. Now Juvia's old setting powders. So the first one we have is in the shade Kalahari. think I said that right. And then we have a darker one. It's in Namib. It's a warmer yellow. So the first one is like a true yellow. This one is like a warmer yellow. And I mixed those two and placed them under my eyes. I did like the smoothing effect that this gave me, guys. I am not going to bake under the eyes with this because I'm a little scared when it comes to color powders, and I'm gonna show you guys later what I mean about that. So we're just gonna press that powder up under our eyes. Now, you know I like a old snatched cheekbone, so this is for dramatics. You know, everyone doesn't like this, but I do. I like my face a little slim cut. And so, you know, I also adore a beautiful nose contour, honey. So I'm snatching my nose as well. And then now it's time to contour. Let's bring that warmthness back to our face because we're looking extra bright right now. So we're going to take the crayon case Countouristion Notebook, and we're going to take the deepest shade and contour. So you all are very familiar with this method as well. Just contouring those areas you want to hide, I guess those shadow areas, to bring that warmth back to your face as well. We're trying to slim and warm up in all of these areas. So it's like a three, a shape of a three. And then we're going to take the next color up contour shade to snatch that nose up even more, because you know that's what I love. Okay, I need a structured nose. Okay, honey. Like I said, that nose got to be snatched, period. So I'm recutting my nose contour with my setting powder and setting the bridge of my nose. I want y'all to know I do some weird stuff when I'm doing my makeup, because my back be hurting, and then I just do these random movements. So let's take our crayon case brow promade in Ebony. So yeah, I haven't used a brow promade in so long. As you can tell, I was trying to figure out how to hold the brush, honey, because it's been a minute. Like, I have not done this in a while. You know, I'm spoiled by my Benefit brow pencil, but this Ebony brow pomade by the crayon case, I actually like this pomade better than the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. It doesn't dry out, and it's not like drying. It's a very smooth texture and easy to work with. So yeah, I'm really taking my time because, like I said, it's been a minute. Okay. You really want to make sure you get that shape, and you don't want to put too much product on your brush, because a little product goes a long way. And so I'm taking that leftover product to just, you know, make some extra brow hairs in the front of my brows and just throughout my brow. Alright, so boom, after we got them brows on our face, okay, we are going to cut it, okay? And we're cutting, not cut it, we're gonna clean the brows up, y'all. We're gonna use the Juvia's Place concealer in number 9, the same concealer I used to highlight, to clean up those brows and, you know, brush through them brows, so, you know what I'm saying, we get that product evenly distributed, you know. And then what we got here, we got the Crushing palette by the AA Collection Cosmetics, which your girl is the boss lady of. Okay, so this is my personal beauty brand, and so we are going in with a French Kiss, which is the perfect transition color for melanated beauties, or any ethnicity. That transition color is really the perfect orange. It's very blendable, and yeah, as you can tell, it's pigmented as well. So that's one of my favorite transition colors to use. Then we're going to go in with a Zaddy. Okay, yes, Zaddy, that's the name of that. Deep chocolate brown. I said, ooh, you know everybody love a little chocolate man. Okay, so this is a rich brown, like one of my favorite, probably, shades of eyeshadow brown to use out of any of my palettes. Personally, and with other beauty brands, this is my favorite brown to use. It gives you that nice smoky look, real quick, real fast. All you have to do is place that brown on there and just blend it up into that French Kiss, and you have the perfect brown smoky eye. So I had to get a little bit more extra with you, honey. So boom, we got another palette from the AA collection, honey, which is the Fever palette, and we're taking this really cute, a shimmery metallic emerald green eyeshadow shade, and we're gonna place it on top of that brown to give it like an emerald green smoky eye effect. And then we're also gonna take that lime apple green kind of shimmer to just add a little bit more definition to dimension to the eyeshadow. Have that light effect in the center, just create a little bit more dimension and add a little bit more sparkle and sheen to our green smoky. Okay, and so basically we're gonna go and blend those edges, and then we gotta do the same thing we did to the lid to the bottom. So we are going to press Zaddy to the bottom waterline, and then we're going to take our emerald green shade, and then we're going to lightly press that lime shimmery green, apple green color as well. And boom, you got you a nice little eye. So let's blush it up, add some color to us, because honey, like I said, those color setting powders, I don't know, I just don't like how it leaves the actual color behind on my face. As you could, throughout the video, I'm going to be spraying like some setting spray. Couldn't really show it because guess what, it's not black on. But yeah, this is Nefertiti. This is the highlighter that I'm going to use from Juvia's Place as well. It's like a gold shimmery. I'm going to apply that to our cheeks, the top part of our cheekbones, our upper lip, our nose. You guys have seen this 100 times. But yeah, I'm going to add that tear duct color. And another one, lashes from the AA collection, and eyeliner from Black Radiance. And those lashes are in the style Bad 3D mink lashes. Love, love, love. These are like one of my favorite pairs of lashes. Alright, I know I cheated. This lip pencil, it's MAC Cosmetics, but every black girl, melanated skin girl should have the color chestnut in their makeup kit from MAC Cosmetics, okay? Like, it's the perfect brown lip liner. So, get that. And then, boom, another AA collection. We got Bear, which is a nude lipstick, satin matte lipstick. Come on, packaging. And it's so pretty on. It's like a really cute. Not, it's like a true nude. It's not, it doesn't have too much pink in it. It has more of a peach undertone, which is like a peachy nude, which is perfect for all skin complexions as well as, you know, your melanated girls. So this is part of our nude collection from the Satin Matte lipsticks. And then the crayon case, they came through with this one. I love Clean Kisses. This lip gloss, nude lip gloss, is so pretty. And it's going to just amplify my little short lip. You know, I like, yeah, I know how I like my lips to look. You know, I like to make them look extra full and succulent. And you know, once we got that lip together, we take them hair clips out, baby. Oh, this natural hair, honey, it be giving me the blues sometimes. Fluff this hair up and whoop, she feeling herself. Period. Get into it. Yes, girl, you cute or whatever. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.